You are creating content, editing for hours, uploading consistently. What of your views? It's stuck. Now, what of if I tell you that there are 3 mistakes that you are making that is silently killing your views before your audience even start to watch? Let's uncover it now before it will cost you more. One of the big mistakes creators make now is long intro, unnecessary intro. Most creators use the 15 seconds of their video for long explanation, explaining themselves, welcoming their audience. You have 15 seconds and not 50 seconds. You have to make use of these few seconds to deliver a tangible information. Do you understand? Don't use your 15 seconds, 5 seconds of your video for a long protocol, for unnecessary greetings. Use it to hook your audience. Remember, once you hook your audience, they will be able to watch longer. Do you understand? But if you make use of that 15 seconds, 5 seconds of your video for unnecessary explanation, introducing yourself, they will click off. Do you understand? And remember, immediately your audience click off during the 15 minutes or 5 minutes of your video, the algorithm will see it as your video is not okay. No matter how good the information you are delivering is, the algorithm will regard your video as, the algorithm will see it as a bad video. Now, you can use some seconds of your video to ask some questions about the content that you want to create in order to hook your audience. You can use those questions, you can use those seconds to ask them questions like, are your views stuck at 100 views and you don't know the solution to the problem? I know, something like that. At least it will be able to hook them, to be able, your audience will be curious to know the solution of those problems. Do you understand? But if you use it for a long intro, explaining yourself, saying all sorts of unnecessary things that are not even exciting, they will click off. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, make them to care before saying your name. Okay, some does not even care to know your name self. Yes, there are some viewers that are watching you, they don't care to know your name. All they want is that value that you want to deliver to them. Do you understand? So stop using unnecessary intro. Yes, your viewers will simply click off. Okay. Now, second mistake that creators make now is skipping research. Now listen, let me explain to you. If you upload a video that people are not interested on, or if you upload a video that people are not researching on YouTube and on Google, remember that once a video is okay, it will rank on YouTube and also rank on Google. Do you understand? Now, if you create a content that people are not researching, people are not searching, you are not going to get views. Okay, you are not going to get views. Now, what you are going to do is you make use of your YouTube search bar like this. When you go to your YouTube app, then go to search. When you click on search there, then you type the word that you want relating to your niche. Okay, like let's assume now that you are into fitness. You type anything that's related to fitness. Okay, then those words that is under it, those sentences that is under it, there is what your audience are searching for. Do you understand? Now, when you create a content relating to those things, your video will rank. Do you understand? When you create a video relating to those things there, people will be able to search your video and your video will be able to rank fast. Okay, but if you just wake up on a very good day and start creating content on your own, creating what just come on your head like this, people are not going to watch it. It will not rank. You keep on getting 0 views. Okay, so now do this, or you go to your video queue. You make use of your video queue app, then go to daily ideas. You see where they wrote daily ideas there, then click on it. You will see tons of daily ideas relating to what your audience are searching for. Okay, so don't create a content that just come over you. Just calm down and research for it, or you can make use of your Google. Immediately you click on Google like this, immediately you search for a particular word, a particular thing on a Google, then go scroll. You will see the result of those things that you are looking for. Just scroll and go, keep on scrolling. You will see where they wrote related search, That is what people are searching for. Then when you create a content relating to those things, your video is going to rank both in Google and on YouTube. And remember, YouTube and Google are working hand to hand. Okay, so these are the way you can just create your content and your viewer will be able to engage. You will not get 0 views. Now the last but not the least is leveraging the short. Okay, now most people don't like to upload short, but short will help you to push your content to a wider audience. Okay, thereby you will get subscribers and also get more audience that will watch your videos. Now if you create a video now, make sure that as you're creating your long form video, you also create a short form video for that particular video. Okay, so that once you finish uploading your long form videos, you upload your short form video, thereby connecting your long form video to connecting your long form video and your short form video together. Okay, there are some video that you will watch, then you will not see you will not understand it completely until you watch the long form videos. So people that are searching for this type of video, immediately they finish watching the short form videos, they will click on the long form video to see the continuation of that video. Okay, now you can link your long form video to your short form video through the small arrow that is under your short form video. Immediately you want to upload it, just click on it there, then you connect your long form video to your short form video. Okay, thereby you are attracting more viewers from your short form video to your long form video. Okay, so these are the mistake that small creators are making, that are that is leading to a low views on their channel. So I want to know I want to know the type of mistake that you make at the comment section. I'm going to stop here. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you all.